Wish to get this salon-like sleek bouncy hair and finish? Let me show you how. Hairstyling made easy with the Agaoro Professional Volumizer Hair Dryer that comes with 3 heat 2 speed settings, ceramic Tourmaline Coating Brush Head along with Anion Technology, anti-scalding tip and swivel power cord for styling versatility. Its 360-degree airflow vents make it easy to dry and style your hair at the same time. Its 24-karat gold styling surface ensures even heat distribution and consistent results for all hair types. Got to love the Agaoro Volumizer Hair Dryer as it reduces frizz and smoothens out hair for a more sleek and bouncy finish.